Welcome. Presenting you the best leather sewing machines with a quick recap and buying guide. This is Riment, your personal attendant from logforshop.com. Before getting your best one, you must know the key quality and features of that one's. Though the best list in the description. Check it now. First of all, it must be blown your mind and also your nearest. Maybe ever sewn hero computerized sewing machine. Or Singer leather sewing machines, for you. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell for the upcoming reviews. Number 10. Blue Couture Denim Metal Frame Sewing Machine. Number 9. HC 1850 Computerized Brother Sewing Machine. Number 8. Ever Sewn 400 Stitch Computerized Sewing Machine. Number 7. Singer 4432 Metal Frame Sewing Machine. Number 6. 4411 Heavy Duty Singer Sewing Machine. Number 5. Singer Quantum Stylists 9960 Sewing Machine. Number 4. Heavy Duty Singer 4423 Leather Sewing Machines. Number 3. Brother XM 2701 Lightweight Sewing Machine. Number 2. Brother Built-in Stitches CS 6000i Sewing Machine. Number 1. Brother XR 3774 Full-Featured Sewing Machine. Thanks for watching. Jump to the description for your best one.